Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by capturing the call in the cleanest way possible. Start the recorder and confirm it saves separate channels or stereo tracks, so voices separate left versus right. This is why channeled recording matters. Once done, run a 10-second test and make a loud clap or tone to mark alignment. Make sure Do Not Disturb is on and other apps are closed to avoid noise. Now move the files to your computer for editing and open them in your audio editor. You now focus on separating the voice energy. Import the stereo track, split to left and right, and listen to both. Often the remote voice sits more on one channel. Invert phase on one channel and play both together. This cancels centered audio like voice. If that reduces quality, use a vocal remover or band-specific EQ and spectral tools to target 303,000 Hz where speech lives. Keep reducing until the voice drops but background remains. Save incremental versions so you can revert. You finish by cleaning and exporting the result. After voice removal, apply light denoise and a smoothing EQ to restore natural ambience. Export a WAV for quality or MP3 for sharing. If you hear artifacts or hollow audio, undo some reduction or try a different plugin with mid-frequency focus. Less is often better. Make sure to compare the edited file to the original and keep backups. Troubleshooting tip: if cancellation fails, the recording may not be truly stereo. Re-record with separate channels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.